Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Freevee with Pluto TV. So let's get right into it. So Freevee basically is by Amazon. It offers movies and TV shows and some original content. Think of it as a free version for Prime Video. It has cleaner interface and lets you pause, rewind, and resume shows easily. It is available on Fire TV, Roku, Apple TV, smart TVs, and web browsers. So it is best for on-demand movies, TV shows, and Amazon-backed content. Now, comparing Freevee with Pluto TV. So, Pluto TV focuses on live TV channels along with an on-demand library of movies and shows. Since Pluto TV is right now not available in my region, so I'll be opening this Trust Project website of the review of Pluto TV. So, Pluto TV works on almost all devices, including console games. It is best for live channels, classic shows, and a cable-like experience. So at the end, if you'll ask my final verdict, I'll say choose Pluto TV if you love live TV, classic channels, and a traditional viewing experience. But choose Freevee if you want a premium on-demand content with fewer ads. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.